Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dodi. Today the topic of my presentation, dividend policy. Introduction to dividend policy. Dividend refers to that part of net profits of company which is distributed among shareholders as a return on their investment in the company. Dividend is on reference as well as equity shares of company. On reference shares, dividend is paid at a determined fixed rate, but the decision of dividend on equity shares is taken for each year separately. A company should adopt a consistent approach to dividend decision on equity shares rather than taking decisions it here on purely ad hoc basis. A scheduled approach for the payment of dividend and is known as dividend policy. Type of dividend. Equity dividend. The dividend paid on equity shares is called equity dividend. The rate of equity dividend is set recommended by the board of directors of business firm and provided by their shareholders. Second, preference dividend. Preference dividend is paid on preference shares. At the time of issue of shares, the rate of dividend is mentioned which remain fixed in nature. This is dividend on the paper on shares is paid. Before equity dividend, the board of directors of business firm does not put any recommendation toward preference dividend visa rate payment model. Third, interim dividend. Interim dividend is paid by a company for the current year before the count for that period has been closed. Such dividend is paid when company has heavy earning during the year. Regular dividend. Payment of dividend at the usual rate is termed a regular dividend. The inventor, such as returned person, widows and other economically weaker people preference to get regular dividend. Cash dividend. Cash dividend is a usual method of paying dividend. Payment of dividend in cash result in outflow of funds and reduce the company net worth. So the shareholders get an opportunity to invest the cash in any manner they desire. This is why the ordinary shareholders prefer to receive dividend in cash. Stock dividend. Stock dividend means the issue of bonus. Shareholders issue bonus shares to the shareholders if a company does not have liquid resource. It is better to declare stock dividend. Stock dividend amount to capitalization of earning and distribution of profit among the exceeding shareholders without affecting the cash position of the firm. Scrip or bond dividend. A scrip dividend promises to pay the shareholders at a figure shareholders at a future specific date. In case a company does not have sufficient funds to pay dividend in cash, may use may issue note or bonds of amounts due to the shareholders. The objective of scrip dividend is to postpone the immediate payment of cash. Scrip dividend bears interest and accepted as well collateral security. Type of dividend policy. Stable dividend policy refers to the policy in which an organization pays regular dividend to its shareholders. The stable dividend policy is also known as constant payout ratio. Long-term dividend policy refers to the policy in which dividend is paid to the shareholders in the long run. If an organization follows long-term dividend policy, when it would not distribute dividend among its shareholders regular and consistently, even in case of high profit, the organization retains the earning to be used in future for its growth and expansion program. Investor looking for short-term gains do not favor long-term dividend policy. Is referred those shareholders who have interest in long-term capital gains. Regular and extra dividend policy refers to the dividend policy which pays a fixed amount of dividend on a regular basis and an additional amount of dividend if the organization earns abnormal profit. This policy encourages the positive investor to invest in the organization and help in raising capital in the future. Irregular dividend policy refers to the policy in which the dividend payout ratio keeps on fluctuating. In the irregular dividend policy, dividend per share depends on profit of the organization. If the profit is high, the organization would pay a high dividend per share. Regular stock dividend policy refers to the policy in which an organization gives dividend in the form of stock instead of the cash. If organization needs liquidity, then it may adopt a regular stock dividend policy and issue bonus shares to its shareholders. Thank you.